understand the court's statements. However, I would note, I gave this to the defense as soon as I finished it, and I know Your Honor was a trial attorney for a long time and knows that the preparation for an argument happens up until the argument.
We're going to have to delay things then. What's going to happen is we're going to end evidence in a particular phase, and before we can have argument, we'll wait 2 days so that you can prepare your PowerPoint presentation, and then the other side can object. That's how it's going to go. I mean, we just can't keep doing this. And you're both doing it. You're both using PowerPoint presentations. I find it interesting that the defense is making global objections to PowerPoint presentations when they themselves have been using them. That's inconsistent. I mean, the defense, hold on, I heard you, now hear me out. The defense used a PowerPoint presentation in closing arguments as well. And I hadn't seen the defense's PowerPoint slides in closing when I ruled on some of the objections to the people's PowerPoint presentations or PowerPoint presentation slides. And what I realized as I was listening to the defense's closing argument is that some of the same issues that the defense was complaining about were things that were included in the slides that the defense used. Not all of them, but some of them. Some of the very complaints that the defense made about the people's slides were present in the defense's slides. So, you're both using PowerPoint presentations, and we can't do this where we wait until the last minute and then there are objections, and then there's going to be a response, and now I have to rule on a bunch of objections, and there has been extensive authority cited, all while we're waiting for the jury to get in here. All with the understanding also that there's time pressure because there are witnesses the defense wishes to call today who may not be available after today or may have some scheduling conflict. So it is unfair to the court. It is unfair to put the court in that type of position. And the only way that I see around this is to put time limitations on you. So if you want to use PowerPoint presentations, do it 2 days before you have to do them. In other words, you have to serve it on the other side 2 days in advance.